Good morning! Flipping for profit, another part of the series. And we're looking at buy low, sell high. That's what flipping's about, buying at one price, selling at another. And whether you're looking to do this by using the arbitrage in different markets in a similar time, or you're looking to buy, renovate and sell, some simple rules will always apply. Know your numbers. What is your minimum profit requirements? Are you looking at 20%, 30%, more? What is the possibility of the property even being able to be a renovation property or a property that could achieve a higher price? You might have to do this in an upwards moving market. And of course, know your market. With all of these, your ARV, what is your after renovation value, is a very important number. This after renovation value, and you need to pull in your team to give you this, whether it be your estate agent, a sworn valuer, really good to use. And once you take your after renovation value minus your initial cost of purchase plus your profit, this will give you the amount you actually have or need to have for a renovation, and an amount that is a guideline that you should not go over. Well, you cannot, because it's going to eat into your profit. If you go over that number, it's going to eat into your profit. Look carefully at whether it's a possibility to even renovate. Know your market, know your numbers. If you have to, at the end of the day, massage the numbers and try and make them work, and it starts getting to a square peg round hole situation, simple advice: don't do it. Be patient and wait for another property. As I say, the deal of the century comes around every month. Happy investing, happy flipping.